Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's topic, what we are going to see is our review and preview show, and let's see what has the market done, and let's preview on what is going to happen in the next day of the market.
All right, guys. So coming to Nifty, so as we predicted, the market would be going for a sell from the highest point, and the fall was huge, and we expect almost we saw 2,000 points no fall in Nifty, and finally the market has broken the trend line, and we are expected to have a bullish market again after a long time now. So I was just waiting for the market to close in the weekly chart so I can get a confirmation whether the market is going for a bull move or still it is in a bearish condition. So as far as I can see that the market has changed its course, and we are expected to go for a buy trend from now onwards. And if you're going to go for a buy, so it is better to buy at a certain retracement level. If you're a retracement trader, you can always wait for a retracement at 50%, where the market will come and retest the same area of the the trend line resistance. So it will be acting as a support, and 50% retracement will be around the 17,200 range. So 17,200 range will be a very good area for buy for Nifty in case if you're a retracement trader, or if you're a aggressive trader and you don't want to wait, you can always go for a buy at the current market price or around 17,650 to 700. So that will be a very good area for buying in case if you're an aggressive trader. So use your discretions and take a trade accordingly. So Nifty has changed its course from a bearish market to a bullish market. All right, so that is for Nifty. We are going for a huge uptrend. And one more announcement. So the thing is, we have stopped the top three picks for the series of top three picks for quite a moment now, and we'll be resuming it as soon as possible since the market has changed its course to a bullish market. So you can look forward for the series as well. All right, so coming to Bank Nifty. So even Bank Nifty has changed the trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. So as expected, now the market has broken the previous line of resistance, and it has closed above. And we are expected to have a huge bullish movement in the coming days. And so my suggestion is, if you're an aggressive trader, you can always go for a buy at the current market price. And if you're a conservative trader and just want to have a proper conservative trade entries, so you can go for a buy around 36,200 to 36,600. So that will be a very good range for a retracement trader. Once the market gives you a retracement, and then if you can go for a buy, that will be a very good thing. So that is what I'm expecting. So Bank Nifty and Nifty are both in buy trend. All right, so coming to gold. So as you can see from gold, we are near the same supports and resistance. So these areas were acting as a supports and resistance for a long time now. And the same level acted as a resistance. Again, the market came down. So and these levels are acting as a supports. And now the market has reached the support. And my suggestion is, if you're a swing trader and for a long-term investor, if you want to put your money in gold, so it is always better to buy gold. And if you're a swing trader, you can make use of this opportunity. And that is, since the market is in a nice sideways market, so if you're a swing trader for 10 days or 15 days, if you're going to hold your positions, you can always go for a buy at this level with a proper stop loss and for a target of like $20 to $30 in gold. So that will be a very good setup now. Since the market has bottomed out, so we may expect momentum in gold as soon as possible. All right, so gold is in a buy trend. And coming to crude oil. So crude oil, as we have seen, the market fell, and what happened is we had a proper retracement, and market was going in a trend line, and it hit the trend line, and finally crude oil gave a 61% retracement over here, as you can see. And finally it started its bull move, and we are expecting a target of $85. So we are expecting a target around the previous level of resistance, so around $84.50 to $85. So that is what we are expecting as a target for crude oil. So in case if you're aggressive trader, you can always go for a buy in crude oil now, since the market has started its buy trend. And if you're a conservative trader, my suggestion is wait for some correction. If the market is going to give you a correction, maybe like $75 or $76, or else it'll be $77. So $77 is also a very good level of support, since you can see over here we have a good support over here, and this area acted as a support, and now previously this area acted as a support, as resistance as well. So if this comes as a support level, and if you can buy over here at 76 or $77, that will also be a better trade in case if you're a retracement trader. All right, so all the four pairs are in buy trend, and we are expected for a market to be bullish for the couple of months. So that is what my expectation is, but we'll just go according to the technical analysis.
All right, guys. So this was our review and preview for today, and I hope it was useful. And thank you very much for joining. Take care.